Hello folks, and welcome to another unboxing video by me, Gareth James. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification. That way you'll be aware of when I upload some new videos. Thank you. So this is the Crosstour CT9000 action camera. It's a 4K action camera with a 170 degree wide angle lens. It's supposed to run for 120 minutes and it's got a 2-inch LCD screen. Reason I bought this camera, I'm going to be doing some footage and car videos in the near future, and I needed something that I could strap to the outside of a car and not be too worried if it falls off. I did consider buying a DJI or the GoPro equivalent, but however at £300 or £400 I think I would be rather upset if one of those fell off the side of a car. This is the box it came in. I bought it off Amazon, like I say, £40. The box is fairly plain, straightforward and fairly small. So here we go, let's get into it. I've not opened this yet, so we'll see what we get inside. Thank you for choosing Crosstour. By the way, I'm not affiliated to Crosstour in any way. They haven't paid me for this video. Instruction manual first then. Start in English. Right, the instruction manual appears to be fairly comprehensive and is written in proper English and not a Chinese translation, which is always good. That's a good start. That's that. I've got a link to their website there and some other bits and bobs. So here we go then. Out. So here's the camera itself. It's in the packaging. This is fairly similar looking to the SJ4000 SJcam. I've got one of those. I've used that in the past. I guess they're all roughly of a similar ilk, trying to mimic the GoPro or the DJI. Right then, so you've got a mount on the bottom. It's in a waterproof case, so I assume this is a waterproof case. It looks like one. See, you can open that there. The camera comes out. There's the camera itself in the middle. So again, it's fairly similar in shape to the SJcam series. There's an OK button on the top. We've got USB ports on the side and a HD out, it says there, and also an SD card slot. 4K, it's also Wi-Fi capable, and you've got the power button with, and it says mode on the side, and an up down, and the screen on the back. So that's the camera itself. Obviously the waterproof case then that comes with it, there was no extra cost for that. It comes part of the camera. And you've got the external buttons then to keep it waterproof, so you can still access the menus and stuff while you're using the camera. So put that to one side for a minute. There's nothing else with this. This is just the packaging the camera comes in. Accessories then. Let's see what else we get with this. I'll just spin it all out for a second. Done that over there. So, if I put these in order, you've got the camera. Right, so you've got another mount here, so you can take the camera out of this, and if you want to put it into this mount, and this has got a standard camera mount on it, so that it can be attached to various other devices. So that's one. There's another door here for the camera, the waterproof case. Another mount here that you can attach to the outside of this. It looks like it'll mount onto something circular, like the frame of a mountain bike maybe, or a fishing rod or a helmet, belt strap, various other mounts, and then various mounting pads with 3M tape on it so that you can stick it to the side of things. USB cable, belt straps, you've got some cable ties here, and you've got a cloth to clean the camera. More connections, and oh, that's a bonus, I didn't know we had a spare battery as well. And again, this looks very similar to the battery that comes with an SJcam. So if you've got an SJcam, hang on, that comes out of there. It's the first time I'm seeing this, bear with me. 3.7, 1050 milliamp hours, rechargeable battery in Crosstour. It's got the same looking connectors on there as an SJcam. So if you've already got one, or you've got an SJcam, then potentially this is interchangeable. Battery on SJcam goes in the bottom here. I can't get this one out right now without something to take it out with. No, that's not going to be big enough. So I can do another video on that maybe later. But there we go. That is everything. You get quite a lot for your money, obviously. I'm not entirely sure what that's for, but there's another strap out there. Oh, I'll tell you what that is. That's the remote control. Yeah, this comes with a remote control. You can press record and you can take photos with it. I'll do more on that later when I get used to using the camera. We'll do a little video on using it and some of the features and the menus. Okay, so there we are. That is the Crosstour CT9000 camera. These are all the accessories that come with it. You get quite a lot for your money for £40 by the looks of it, even the accessories and all the bits and bobs alone if you've currently got an SJcam or a similar camera. And I'm not even sure if these are compatible with the GoPro, so if you're watching this and you've got a GoPro on one of these and they are or they're not compatible, please leave a comment below and let me know whether they are compatible, because that'd be quite useful information. Also, if you like this video, please take the opportunity to subscribe or like the video and leave comments below on if you think I can do anything to improve or any further information you require on this camera, and I'll be happy to help. Okay, thank you very much for watching. This is another video, and I'll be back with the review and the sample footage in a video soon. Okay, thank you for watching. Cheers.